The Arctic is one of the harshest environments on Earth, yet it teems with life uniquely adapted to extreme cold, limited sunlight, and vast icy landscapes. Among its many inhabitants, some stand out due to their remarkable adaptations, rare appearances, or unusual behaviours. One such species is the narwhal, often called the unicorn of the sea. These elusive whales are famous for their long spiral tusks, which can grow up to 10 feet. Scientists believe the tusk, an elongated tooth, may play a role in detecting changes in the water, establishing dominance, or even breaking through ice. Unlike most whale species, narwhals spend nearly their entire lives in Arctic waters, avoiding migration to warmer seas. Their ability to navigate beneath thick sea ice, with only a few cracks for breathing, makes them one of the most extraordinary marine mammals in the Arctic. Another fascinating Arctic resident is the Arctic fox. Known for its incredible resilience, this small predator changes its coat with the seasons, sporting a thick white pelt in winter for camouflage against the snow and a brownish-grey one in summer to blend with the tundra. Arctic foxes are also scavengers, following polar bears to feed on leftover seal remains and even digging into the ice to store food for leaner times. Their compact bodies, furry paws and keen sense of smell allow them to survive in temperatures as low as -50 degrees Fahrenheit. The Greenland shark is one of the most mysterious creatures in the Arctic. This massive, slow-moving predator can grow over 20 feet long and live for hundreds of years. Some estimates suggest they can reach 400 years of age, making them the longest-living vertebrates on Earth. They thrive in deep, frigid waters where most large sharks cannot survive, feeding on fish, seals, and even the occasional polar bear carcass. Their sluggish movement and nearly blind eyes, caused by a parasite that clouds their vision, make them seem like relics from another era. The snowy owl is another icon of the Arctic. Unlike most owls, which are nocturnal, snowy owls are active during the day, particularly in the long Arctic summer when the sun never sets. Males are almost completely white, while females have dark speckles to help with camouflage. They are powerful hunters, capable of snatching prey as large as a hare or as small as a lemming. Their thick feathers not only keep them warm, but also muffle the sound of their flight, making them nearly silent predators. One of the Arctic's lesser-known but equally fascinating inhabitants is the wolf spider. While many think of spiders as creatures of warmer climates, this species thrives in the frigid tundra. Unlike most spiders that rely on webs to capture prey, wolf spiders hunt by ambushing insects and even small vertebrates. They have a unique antifreeze-like compound in their bodies that prevents their blood from freezing, allowing them to stay active even in freezing conditions. The musk ox is another Arctic marvel, famous for its thick, shaggy coat that protects it from the extreme cold. Musk oxen form tight, defensive circles when threatened, protecting their young in the center, while the adults use their sharp horns to fend off predators like wolves. During winter, they use their powerful hooves to dig through snow in search of lichen and moss. Their ability to survive in the barren tundra, where few large mammals can, makes them one of the Arctic's most iconic herbivores. Perhaps one of the strangest Arctic species is the sea angel. This tiny, translucent marine creature looks like a cross between a jellyfish and a butterfly, with wing-like appendages that propel it through icy waters. Unlike most soft-bodied sea creatures, sea angels are predatory, feeding on a related species called sea butterflies. They have evolved specialized mouth parts that allow them to latch onto their prey and consume them in a manner that seems almost alien. The Arctic woolly bear caterpillar is another extreme survivor. Unlike most caterpillars, which transform into moths or butterflies in a matter of weeks or months, this species takes over a decade to complete its life cycle. It freezes solid in the winter, allowing its body to enter a state of suspended animation. Each summer, it briefly thaws and feeds before freezing again. After surviving multiple years of this freeze-thaw cycle, it finally pupates and becomes a moth. The beluga whale, known as the canary of the sea, is another remarkable Arctic species. Unlike most whales, belugas have highly flexible necks, allowing them to turn their heads in multiple directions. This adaptation helps them navigate under sea ice and interact with one another in tight social groups. Their ability to produce a wide range of vocalizations has made them one of the most vocal marine mammals, communicating through whistles, clicks, and even mimicry of human sounds. Finally, the Arctic bumblebee is an unexpected yet essential species of the Arctic ecosystem. Despite the extreme cold, these bees have adapted to short summers by having thick hair and a rapid wing beat that helps generate heat. They are among the most important pollinators in the region, ensuring the survival of Arctic wildflowers and plants that support other wildlife. Unlike bees in temperate regions, Arctic bumblebees have developed antifreeze proteins in their bodies, allowing them to function in near-freezing temperatures. Each of these species showcases the extreme adaptability and resilience required to survive in one of the planet's most unforgiving environments. Their existence is a testament to nature's ability to thrive against the odds, making the Arctic one of the most biologically unique regions on Earth.